Brwsese, parhau lawr y chwyth, y Bale beryglus. Yn dod nôl at Davies ar ergyd. Wel, mae hwn di sgori 3 gôl mewn 3 gêm yn erbyn Aberystwyth. Bron yn 4 mewn 4. Cyfle arall i'r tîm cartre. I'r canol mae hon yn mynd. O, erbyn y postyn. Cadwalyd yr falle'r cyffyrddiad ola. Yna sgwrs ddwys ymysg amddiffynwyr Hwlffordd. Neb cweit yn siŵr. Siŵr gyreiddodd Cadwalyd ar ohona. Henry Jones. Cyfle i'r ymwelwyr i ymosod. Wilson ar garlam ar y dde. Digon opsiynau. Jones yn mynd y ben i hun, ar ergyd yn un ffyrnig, ac ar yr ail gyfle. Mae Evans yn ei chladdu ddi. Hwlffordd ar y blaen. 6 munud yn yr ail hanner hyn. Hwlffordd sydd wedi pwyso, Hwlffordd sydd wedi creu cyfleon. Evans sy'n chladdu ail o'r tymor. Mae Davies yn ei dwyn y Bale. Evans. Jones i'r canol. Wilson. Cyfle i gladdu Aberystwyth. Jack Wilson yn ei derbyn i ar y mil o cwrt yn curoedd un. Unwaith eto. Aberystwyth yn edrych di blino. Howard yn parhau. Ar Bale. A John Owen ar ergyd. Yr arbediad yn wych. Honna o bosib di achub 2 bwynt i'r Hwlffordd. Owen sydd wedi sgorio ond 1 gôl y tymor hyn. Ond honna'n erbyn Hwlffordd bron y dyblu hynny.
Clean sheet away from home is the first time we've kept a clean sheet in a long time, which has been our downfall away from home really. But it was always going to be tough for the conditions today. But I thought we played some good football at times, and we dealt with Aber's threat. I think we limited them to a couple of chances, and we've had a few as well first half, and we took our chance when it came second half. They worked hard today against us. They were quite battling in the midfield, and that was probably a different Haverfordwest to what I've seen in the last few weeks. However, this place here at home, we've made a bit of a fortress to ourselves, but today wasn't to be. But like I say, we should be sitting here now, worst case scenario is 0-0, and we move on to the next game.
And you're sitting on top of the table now, so everyone's chasing you. Can you keep it up? Can you push forward now to the end of the season?
Yeah, that's the aim. 7th spot is what we want. We want to compete in the playoffs if we can. But yeah, everyone's got the same ambition, same goals, hit that 7th spot. Everyone's going to be collectively trying to do that.